Anyways, hello everybody. Quick video. I'm just gonna do a very quick video. If you have heard about Apple Mancan spreading rumors about how I cheat my subscribers, I don't cheat my subscribers. He's just getting angry because he only has like what 7 subscribers. I have like what? Let me find out. I don't want to find out because I'd have to open my Google Chrome or something. But I have like 208 maybe 204 or something like that, and he's getting angry just because I had an increase in subscribers. Well, it doesn't matter. And my channel trailer, thank you guys so much for watching like my videos. Seriously, my channel trailer, it had like 24 views one day, and it just shot up to like I think it was 89, and it was pretty cool. No lie, it was actually hold on. Okay, but it was pretty cool. So, yes, I do have to record some videos with the iPhone. And if you're watching this whole video, it'll only be like a minute 30 maybe. But just to let you know, I'm sorry for the iPhone videos, but whenever I do get a new computer, when I do get a new computer and everything, the monitors will be about as tall as my, TV and everything. But whenever I do get a new computer, then maybe it will be better. Anyways, just wanted to make a quick video, but yeah, anyways, hopefully you guys can subscribe. Hold on. Okay. Hopefully you guys can subscribe. I might have a lot of subscribers, but still, that doesn't mean you can't tell anybody about me because, I don't know, but if you do want me to do a giveaway, I'll have to find a way. After I get my computer, I will make it whenever I'm in the stream. I do stream, I will stream, I mean, and I try to stream like Xbox sometimes, but I will be recording some trolling videos too, but those will also be back. But I can't edit them because my editor, of course, he quit. But anyways, I do want to say though, just real quick, one little announcement, the last announcement pretty much. But whenever I do get a new computer, I'm gonna be streaming a lot, and then I'll say that you can go like the post I post on Twitter, or retweet it or something, and then whenever you do that, the first person to do it, or I can just pick a random one at random, and that person will get like a what, just a certain thing, like a certain thing for the giveaway, whatever I do that day. So that's how I'll probably do my giveaways. Ask me questions on my Twitter and crap because I always put those in my videos. And if you don't see one with like, okay, if you randomly click on this video, if you've seen another video without it in it, it's probably been like an iPhone video that I haven't put it in. So if I don't put it in, that's kind of crazy. But I will put it in this one. So anyways, yeah, so thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.